Guys, it's Alka here. This one's here for our staff, and we're gonna be going over IP bands. So first, I'm gonna be showing you how to work with Windows Firewall, really simple, and just how to add an IP to it to ban. Extremely straightforward. Yeah. So let's just dive right in. I got my TeamViewer session here on my other screen. Okay, and I'm here. Okay, sweet. So first thing we want to do is, and I'll start fresh here, we'll go ahead and we'll click on the Start menu, and we'll go ahead and go into Windows Firewall with Advanced Security. This is, of course, our firewall. And once we're in here, we want to go into Inbound Rules because we want to block connections coming in. And I made a new rule here for us. It's called IP ban. So let's say we want to add a player. First thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and click on the IP ban, and then we want to go into properties. Once in properties, go ahead and put his name here, so you could put, test guy. And then once we have test guy in here, we go into scope tab. Once in the scope tab, go ahead and click add. And let's pretend this is his IP address. This is just a quick IP address I made on a VPN. But let's pretend that's his IP address. So we click add, we would put it in here. Now, say he has an IP address that ranges. So he's got like more than one IP address, but the first like 2 digits are the same. We could put, for example, 192.168.1.1 all the way to 192.168.2.8, or you could just put it to .2 and .1, and pretty much any number of IP going from this to this. So anything like 1.4, 1.5, all that will be banned. So that's an easy way. However, most of the time, at least from what I think, it should just be pretty straightforward. Just one here. So yeah, we'll go ahead and click cancel. So yeah, and then once we're done putting our IP address in here, just put it in here too. This is because it's a mandatory field. We just have to put it in here. So it doesn't block. If you click any IP address, it may block our TeamViewer session or our remote desktop session, whatever we have up and running. So go ahead and just add it here as well. And you could also do the same thing. You could range the IPs here. And yeah, that's about it. Once you're done, go ahead and click OK. I'm not going to click OK because, well, I mean, there's no reason to. So I'm going to click cancel. It takes about 10 seconds for it to take effect. But what it shows on their client is it shows it that the sorry unable to connect, check the internet settings, or try another world error. That's what it will always show for the player on that IP. So it won't actually say he's IP banned, but he'll get the message, especially if if he deserves to be IP banned. So yeah, guys, that's it. Pretty straightforward tutorial. Yeah, and just one quick thing. If you want to disable the IP ban for some reason, I hope you don't, or if you ever really need to, go ahead and just click disable rule here, and it will literally disable this whole rule. However, you could quickly re-enable it. So if we just for some reason want to unban all the people that are IP banned, go ahead and click disable rule. I don't want you to delete it because that's just a waste. Just click disable rule in case we ever need it again. And that's really about it. Now you know how to IP ban, and yeah, you guys should know how to reach me in case you have any questions.